Joy Bear, come on! It's Angel and Joy again. Hello! So, today we're going to be doing a dance party of all the things we like to put on skewers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! I like to put on grapes. What do you like to do? Grapes and blueberries. I like to put on strawberries. What do you like to do? Blueberries. Okay. I like to put on cheesecake. What do you like to put on? Cheesecake. Oh, you like cheesecake too? Yeah. Well, I like to put on chocolate cake. What do you like? Chocolate cake. Well, frozen yogurt. Well, cake. Okay. Now, I think I'll put sausage on it. What would you put on? Sausage? That's just disgusting. Well, it's good to me. I like sausage. I'll put on bacon too. I'll put on bacon and pepperoni. Yes, pepperoni is my favorite. Okay, now let me think of another one. Ooh, popsicles. Popsicles. Okay. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. That was what we like to put on your skewers and some suggestions that you should put on your skewers. Bye.